The fourth way you decided to make money is when you decided to loan your friends some money, allowing your money work for you. Not your time, not your skill, not systems, but your money. This is being an investor. By definition, an investor is someone who loans or borrows money to people or businesses with the expectation of receiving a higher or better financial return, which has its own benefits as well, which is such as a good cash flow. You get expert connections with people from different backgrounds. There is less work involved in it. You have more financial control of your money and you get more rewards. However, on the downside, you have less control of the outcome. There is a higher risk of loss of your money. You have to do more research on the people or the company you are loaning your money to. Also, your money is affected by the economy and the market downturn.